Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find video tutorials in Intromaker. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and press on the settings there. Now you can just press on video tutorials and you will be able to find here video tutorials. Now in this case there is only one. You can just press on it and you will be able to watch this video and understand better basically what the application is about. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.